time. Still, there ain't a jailmate that you can't break out of. As far as I remember, the English thought you were quite good at that during the war. So, get on with it.
Hey, over here. Shh. I've been sent to pick open your cell. Make the most of it, man. I gotta get out of here now. Good luck. This could come in handy. Great! The key fits! A helipad. Perhaps reinforcements are sent in by helicopter. I wonder what this key is for. It fits. Now I should be able to find my way out.
Hey! You tripped the alarm! You've just made escaping about 10 times harder.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
Hey! The guards have noticed you're gone. They've set off the alarm. Drive to our garage in the east of the city. But watch out for the law. Ah, you made it. Come in. Ha! I knew you would do it. It's great to have you back.
Get Simply Draw and start drawing for the holidays.
I learned how to draw this super cool panda with Simply Draw. This app is so fun and teaches you how to draw so many cool things. You can learn things like shading, which makes your drawings look way more realistic. They have lots of animals you can draw. I started
You know what? The boss had to bring you from that joint for a purpose. His daughter's been kidnapped, and he thinks you're the man for the job. The kidnapper's calling a phone in the southeast corner of the city. Answer it before he gives up.
Okay, here's the deal. You collect 250 grand from your boss and leave it at the drop-off point in the docks. I collect it, and I'll tell you where the girl is. Understood?
This is my car now. Nice car. I'll take it. I need your car. Get out. Out.
Now, take it to the docks. Now wait for the pickup. She's in a blue Ford, down an alley in the center of the city. Good day to you.
The kidnapper managed to remotely trigger the bomb. You've got 60 seconds before the boss daughter's blown sky high.
Sorry, I need the wheels. She's chained up. I've got to go to the boss's warehouse before this car goes up in smoke.
Ah, nicely done. Here's your money, with a special bonus for killing the kidnapper. I should make you an honorary German. Your name can be Hans. Go to the payphones for more missions. We've got word that our rivals have just dropped a bank down south. Put up a roadblock and hijack their van.
Thanks for the car.
Ah, nice work. Now take it to Fry's garage. Hey, get back in the truck. Okay, now take it to Fry's garage. Ah, good job. Here's your car. Good job. Here's your cut.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
Head to the phones for more missions.
Get out.
They are testing an experimental rocket car in the south of the city. The boss wants to add it to his personal collection. Go, indeed. Got an alarm! It'll blow if you don't get it to us within 50 seconds. Hey, get back in the car! Okay, take it to our garage to the north of the city. Now! Back in the car! Okay, take it to our garage in the north of the city. Now! Oh, she's a German, isn't she? Here's your money. Good one over there. Maybe you could visit Germany. Our girls could show you a good time in Berlin. Go back to the phones if you want more missions. So, you fancy yourself as a bit of hotshot, do you? We've entered you in a race to see what you're really made of. The track's in the west of the city. Okay. Here we go. Go! That's 2 laps to go. One lap to go. Make the most of it. back to the phones for some more missions. Now, this is gonna be fun. Fry stashed some grenades on the roof of the building downtown. Use them to do as much damage as you can. Oh, and this one will self-destruct in 10 seconds.
Ouch.
Okay, now, lob them off the building and nuke the cars below.
Try to get 15,000 points or more in the next 60 seconds.
Ha! Well done! Here's your money. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions. Okay, the boss has got another mission for you, but he thinks you need a partner this time. Go pick up Sam from the southeast of the city. He's my brother visiting from Germany, so you better go look after him. He's also not the best shot in the world, so be careful of friendly fire. Okay, here's the job. The boss has bribed the mayor to clamp down on the rival gangs in the city. Needless to say, the other gangs aren't happy about this. If he's got word, they're going to try to shoot up his limo, with him inside. Go and protect him. Yes! That's one less scumbag to deal with. Ha! 2 more to go. Okay, just one left. Haha, nice one. They're all dead. Get your ass down to the phones for more missions.
This is my car now.
The boss has decided to wipe out our main rival. He's ordered a huge truck with explosives to make sure they stay dead. Ah, great. Now, take it to the garage. Oh, and the boss has fitted a timer to the explosives to make sure you don't use it. Do your fucking shopping first. Hey, don't turn chicken on me now. Get back in the truck. Okay, now, take it to our rival's garage. Okay, now get the hell out of there. Hey, what are you doing? Put it back where it was. What a botch! The truck wasn't anywhere near the garage. boss has decided to wipe out our main rival. So the huge truck with explosive to make sure is Payback. Ah, great. Now, take it to the garage. Oh, and the boss has fitted a timer to the explosive to make sure you don't use it to do your package shopping first. Okay, now get the hell out of there. Hey, what are you doing? Put it back where it was. Okay, now get the hell out of there. Run! I love the smell of burning napalm in the morning.
Out.
Hey, head back to the phones for more missions.
I need your car. Get out.
Fry thinks the cops have got him under surveillance. Go, check it out.
Sorry, I need the wheels.